Betsy.
And Cameron.
And today we have a fun video for you. We are going to be unboxing my new subscription that I just signed up for, which is the Candy Club. Looks something like this. And I signed up for the bigger boxes of this, so it was $39.99 a month, and I don't remember if I had to pay shipping or not on this, which we did pay for out of my pocket. With everything that's been going on, I thought that doing some subscription boxes, because I really haven't been doing a lot of shopping, and as I say that, I'm looking at my Sephora purchase, so but we wanted to do something fun for the entire family, and I actually signed up for a few subscription boxes to do unboxing on here. So one thing about it is this thing is heavy. Like, does it say how much it weighs? No, it doesn't tell me how much it weighs. So the first thing we're going to do is take and cut this puppy open. We put the scissors down. And I figured this would be something fun with having kids. So whenever you open up the box, it looks like this, super cute. And then you get 6 different jars of candy. And it's something that the kids will enjoy. Plus, I think the jars, seeing them, especially since seeing them now, will be super duper cute. So the first type of candy that I pulled out are the sour cherry cola bottles. And they are sealed, so you know if you're the one who's opening them or not. And it does have your nutrition facts. You want to try one? Let's try one of these. I love these things. I love gummy candy.
They taste as good as the regular ones.
Well, they should. And one of our favorite things to do as a family is, like, when we go up and see my sister-in-law, they have a Lolly and Pops up in the Woodlands Mall, and we love to go there. So next one is a green apple drops. Again, it's sealed. Ugh. You want to try one?
Sure.
Let's both try one of these. Okay, you like green apple?
Yeah.
Caden will love them. Caden loves green apple.
Not my favorite, but still good.
Next one is, blue raspberry belts. These bring me back to childhood.
These are really good.
Okay. I like that they're a little bit thinner and smaller too. Those are good.
Yeah. Oh.
And it does ask you when you order, do you prefer sour, do you prefer sweet? We prefer sour, so we chose sour.
And these are really sour.
They're really good, really high quality. Next up is some chocolatey caramel corn. Cameron, you can't try this one. Braces. But I'll try it. Oh, see, and look, that is really nicely done. That's some good chocolate caramel corn. Sorry. Your braces will come off in about 2 more years. Next up, we have the pineapple rings. Now, I'm not always a fan of pineapple, but these might be good. And if I don't like them, Daddy will like them. He loves pineapple.
I love pineapple.
And I like, if you look at them, it's not as thick as some of the store-bought candy.
That just has a good pineapple flavor.
Oh, very good pineapple flavor.
That's weird. It tastes like pineapple juice.
It reminds me of a Dole Whip.
Yeah.
Those are really good. Okay. So last but not least, so you get 6 different flavors every month. And they have smaller jars, which I think that is $29 a month. Or you can get the bigger jars for $39, which I chose to get the bigger jars because I have a family of 5 and my kids like to have candy, and something like this you can grab a couple of pieces and then be done. And then last but not least is Give Me S'mores. So they're bite-sized morsels of marshmallow and graham cracker covered in
chocolate.
Milk chocolate. Now, one thing about it is in our Southeast Texas heat,
it sticks together.
it is one giant mound of s'mores. I mean, you can break them apart so it didn't melt that badly.
Now this, I think, will remind me of the cookie dough bites, you know?
I think they're going to be a little bit crispier.
Has that same consistency, but they're really good.
They taste more like cookie dough bites than they do s'mores, but they're not bad.
They do have that marshmallowy flavor though, you know?
Kind of.
It's kind of like an aftershave, but really good.
So overall, I would rate this box, if you like candy and like being able to try different things a month, I would definitely rate this box probably about a 7.
Yeah, 7 or 8. I like the different varieties and flavors of candy because it seems like you don't get the same like type of flavor.
Well, and this is our first month with
Yeah.
it, so we don't know. But as I said, this is something we decided to pay for. I figured it would be something fun. Cameron's out of school for the rest of the year, so we decided we were going to do some unboxings. So with the subscription boxes that I've ordered, I ordered a couple of food ones. I ordered a couple of Disney ones, and I ordered some makeup ones. So we have a variety of things to do for unboxings. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when we post new videos. Which right now it's kind of whenever we feel like it.
Yeah.
But I guess that's it. So we'll see y'all soon.
Bye.
Bye.